Key Nation, what's going on, man? It's your boy Manuel Keen, and today, or tonight, I should say, rather, we will be unboxing, you know what I'm saying? Had me a little bit of tequila. But anyways, we will be unboxing the Zen Go audio interface right here, man. And disclaimer, I already used this, okay? It's technically not an unboxing because I already took it out. I had a session. As soon as I bought it, I booked a session for another artist, so I had to use it. But I promise you, this is exactly what came in the box as you see it, okay? I promise you, I'm not lying to y'all. But this is the unboxing, man. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Bang that like button, 'cause we a movement, boy. Let's get it. What's going on, everybody? So welcome to the unboxing of the Zen Go. As you can see here, we have the US warranty card. Okay, so in case you're recording and somebody drops Hennessy on the counter and you get some liquid damage, that's what you want to fill out in order to get it fixed, right? I don't know if they necessarily do liquid damage, but you get the point. If it's damaged, you use the warranty card. And then that is your getting started card. It actually has on the back some instructions as to what you need to do and where you need to go in order to register, because you have to register the audio interface firstly before using it. That's kind of the downside to this hardware, but it still has a great sound. As I said before, I already used it, so still has a great sound. And as you can see, this is the actual Zen Go, and it is this beautiful piece of hardware, nice metal finish, and that's the gain knob for all of the functionalities, but we'll get into that a little bit later. What you see me unboxing here is the USB-C port, right? The connectivity that we want to have so that the hardware works. What's good about it is that, yes, of course, that's the USB-C cable that I'm taking out, but it also has an USB-A adapter that goes along to it, and that's it right there, so that you can connect to your desktop, which is something that I had no idea it had, but when I unboxed it, it was there, so that's a good thing. But as you guys can see, that is the gain, right? So that you can adjust as you see when you're recording. That's the headphone and monitor level, and then that is the main Antelope audio level, so that you can see what levels you're having as you're recording. And that's the knob that you want to use, of course, while you're recording to control everything. And you want to make sure that whatever hardware you're using, that is 64-bit, because if you have 32-bit, it's not going to work. It's not going to be compatible. And then, of course, you have your headphone outputs that you see right there. And this is the Antelope audio interface. And then you have your LCD display on the left-hand side. So that's a good thing as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, we are on the back of the Zen Go audio interface here, and we actually have two inputs. And what's great about it is that it's compatible with 3 levels of inputs. So you have your line for instrumentation, you have your high Z input for guitars, right? And then you also have your XLR input for regular microphones, condenser microphones and such. Then we have your 2 monitor outputs, right, for your speaker monitoring, and we also have RCA outputs as well. And then right next to it, we have our spit of digital coaxial ins and outs for external devices if you want to connect the audio interface to that. And then next to it, we have our secondary USB-C port. And let me freeze frame it right here to explain some things. Now, it looks like a Thunderbolt input, but it's not. It is just a secondary USB-C input for Androids, iPad tablets, so that it doesn't drain your device whenever you're hooking it up. Thus the reason why it's called the Zen Go. It is not a Thunderbolt input, just so that we're clear. Secondary USB-C. And then, of course, right next to it, we have the primary USB-C port for your Windows or Mac device. Beautiful. All right, y'all, so thank you guys for tuning in to the Zengo unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys what we had and what we were working with, and in case you wanted to get one, you saw exactly what came inside of the box. So please stay tuned. I will be releasing a video on the review of it, the sound of the Zengo, and we'll also be doing a shootout because this is what I upgraded from. The Focusrite 2i2, I believe it was second. I think this is second gen. I don't think this is third gen. Does it have it on here? I don't think so. Nah, yeah, I think this is second gen. So we will be doing an audio interface shootout, the Zengo versus the Focusrite 2i2, as well as a sound test between the both of them, and that's going to be a little bit more in depth. So please stay tuned for that. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Gang.